Hi, this is Tim O'Neill with AZ Property Inspections. I'm at a brand new home that's under construction. It's called a pre-drywall inspection, and I just wanted to show you what at least one of the things that we find during these inspections. If you look at this pipe here, this is the flue pipe for the water heater, and it's supposed to have a 1-inch clearance to combustibles. As you can see, it does not. And if you look all the way around here, just go around their tongue, you can see that even through the side here, it's that way all the way down, that it has less than 1 inch of clearance. It's against code. It's against the standard building practice to have that pipe within 1 inch of a combustible surface, and as you can see, it runs almost the entire length improperly because it is too close to that combustible surface. Anyway, I just want to let you know that we're out there doing pre-drywall inspections. If you have a house that is being built, please give us a call. Thanks. Bye-bye.